Good morning, Jess. Guess what? Today is going to be epic because we are headed to Dudhsagar Falls. And
Goa mornings just hit different, guys. Sunshine, sea breeze, and me on a mission. Today's vlog is going to be juicy, spicy, and wild. And here's my ride. Queen के लिए Queen वाली कार. अब चलते हैं दूधसागर की तरफ. Guys, next stop Dudhsagar Falls. Ready for musty, madness, and a little magic. Let's go! Finally, I made it. Guys, just look behind me. That's Dudhsagar Falls in all its wild beauty. Welcome to the one and only Dudhsagar Falls. And yes, this is your girl Tanya Sharma. Hot. You can feel the energy here. Everyone's just vibing. The mist, the roar, the whole vibe. Goa's not just beaches, guys. Oh my god, it's insane. Like, I literally feel like I'm inside a waterfall movie scene. But Dudhsagar तो wild था, but मैं उससे भी ज़्यादा हूँ. Let's see who survives Goa next. Okay guys, I just found this gorgeous girl vibing at Dudhsagar. Babe, tell us, how's your experience here? Hi guys, look who I found. Say hi. Hi. Everyone's going wild. Gotcha. Look at this crowd. People are vibing harder than the waterfall itself. Goa isn't just beaches, it's jungle madness too. So that was Dudhsagar Falls. Loud, wet, dangerous, just the way I like my adventures. This beauty falls from 310 meters high, hidden deep inside the Western Ghats on the Goa-Karnataka border. पानी का गुस्सा तो देखो, रेलवेज भी दर्ज है. क्या बोलते हो गाइस, मैं यहाँ रात को रुक जाऊँ? Dare me. लगता है मैं ही हूँ गोवा का real attraction today. You have to cross rivers, forests, even train tracks to get here. But every drop of effort, so worth it. Crazy fact, during monsoon, this waterfall becomes so powerful. So Dudhsagar means sea of milk, and when you look at this crazy cascade, why you'll know why. It's one of the tallest waterfalls in India. Finally, I'm standing right here at the legendary Dudhsagar Falls, deep inside Goa's forest jungle. It's wild. Until next time, it's your girl Tanya Sharma, pure hot, wild, and always ready for the next adventure. Oh my god, this place is amazing. I know, right? It's beautiful. So that's it from Dudhsagar Falls today. If you like the vibe, drop a comment below and tell me where I should go next in Goa. Finally guys, I'm here, Goa ki beach, Tanya Sharma, and full on heat. Look at this view, sand. So guys, tomorrow's vlog is going to be from Dudhsagar Falls in Goa. Goa nights plus wild lights, hot beats and zero rules. And babe... Hey guys, ready to party the Goa way? Dressed to turn heads and break a few hearts. Tell me, how am I looking? Rate it in the comments. Okay guys, we're inside. Goa nightlife is calling and I never say no to a good beat. Look at these lights, look at this energy. Okay guys, the nightclub was lit, but now your girl's heading back to her cozy hotel bed. Okay, so tell me, how was tonight's vlog? Crazy, hot, or just me being me? Hit that like button if I made you smile. Share it. Alright guys, this vlog ends here, finally. I had the craziest night in Goa and I hope you felt it too.
Good night, my lovelies. We'll meet again soon, somewhere new, somewhere wild. Until then...
Hey guys, check out this amazing view from my Goa hotel.
Okay, check. Now let's talk Basilica of Bom Jesus, the history, the beauty, the vibe.
Alright guys, the Queen is stepping out and today's destination, one of Goa's most iconic spots, Basilica of Bom. There she is, Hot Wheels for a hot girl on a holy mission today. So guys, let me tell you, a secret Basilica of Bom Jesus is not just any church. It's over 400 years old and we're mixing holy history with a little bit of Tanya twist today. Drop a comment. Have you been to Bom Jesus, or do you want me to show you all the sacred secrets first? Stay tuned, babes. Next stop, Basilica of Bom Jesus. And trust me, I'm taking you inside Goa's most divine drama. Okay guys, stop everything. Because this place is giving serious vintage royalty vibes. 400-year-old church, and your 21st century goddess just walked in. Don't forget to say a little prayer for my next outfit. You know, guys, Goa isn't just beaches and bikinis. It's soul. It's secrets. So that's it from Basilica of Bom Jesus. From saints to flirts, from history to heat, Goa's giving everything. But wait till you... Alright guys, Basilica done. Now let's spice things up. Goa isn't just sacred. It's scandalous if you meet the right people. So today, I'm asking strangers some wild questions. Let's play. Dare or flirt? You girls look like trouble. One question, would you rather find love in Goa or just a one-night adventure?
One night, baby. Goa's for thrills.
Unless it's with her. Nice bike, boys. But tell me, who's driving the girls crazy? Of him or you?
He drives, I impress.
You, auntie, Goa का असली फन आप बताओ.
बेटा गोवा में ना बस डांस करो और बॉयज से दूर रहो.
Auntie, boys तो line में हैं. Hey guys, so guess what? We just landed at Basilica of Bom Jesus Fex Phuket. But wait, you think this is just a holy place? So guys, मुझे honestly बताओ, OP, Basilica ज़्यादा hot लग रहा है या तनिया शर्मा?
Guys,
गोवा में Basilica tour भी hot हो सकता है, बस guide तनिया शर्मा हो तो.
Guys, Basilica checked. It was peaceful, spiritual, but now it's time for a little Goa spice.
Next stop, one of the most iconic, hottest spots in Goa. Yes, we're going to Anjuna Cafe.
This isn't just a road trip. This is a runway on wheels. Anjuna Cafe is not just a place, it's a whole vibe.
I've heard the hottest crowd chills here. Let's see if Tanya Sharma can make it even hotter. Hey queens, what's the wildest thing you've done in Goa at night?
girl, we can't say that on camera.
Secrets are safe in Goa, or are they? Next stop, one of the most iconic, hottest spots in Goa. Yes, we're going to Anjuna Cafe. Buckle up, guys.
This isn't just a road trip. This is a runway on wheels. Anjuna Cafe is not just a place, it's a whole vibe.
I've heard the hottest crowd chills here. Let's see if Tanya Sharma can make it even hotter. Hey queens, what's the wildest thing you've done in Goa at night?
Girl, we can't say that on camera.
Secrets are safe in Goa, or are they?
Excuse me, are you guys dating or just on your first awkward Goa trip?
Third date.
Third date.
And already fighting.
Perfect. Goa rule number 1, fight, flirt.
Today was wild, spicy, and full of madness. If you want more drama, more flirting, guys, tonight's gonna be wild. Tanya Sharma is all dressed to kill, and Goa beach party is about to get spicy. Backless stop, reckless mood. Let's go. Right, hotties, I danced, I flirted, I almost got kidnapped by cuteness. This beach party was next level. If you want more spice, more drama, more Tanya. Guys, what a night. If you missed tonight's beach party, you seriously missed the wildest side of Goa. So be honest, how hot do I look in this outfit tonight? Rate me in the comments, but warning, don't fall in love too fast, guys.
The party might be over, but honey, the night is still young.
So guys, this was the craziest night beach party I've ever had. Dance, fun, and maybe a little bit of trouble.
So guys, beach party done, but the drama still on. Look at me walking in like a diva. Who needs a red carpet with...
Tell me honestly, would you ride this elevator with me? Just me, you, one floor.
Ooh, finally, my feet hurt, my lipstick's still on point, and the party's still echoing in my ears. But you know what's better than Goa nightlife?
Tonight was wild, hot, and unforgettable. But babe, I'm not done. This is just episode 1. But babe, I'm not done. This is just episode 1. And this glow, all natural, no filter. But hey, that's where today's vlog ends.
Okay, So tell me, how was tonight's vlog? Crazy, hot, or just me being me? Hit that like button if I made you smile.